Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I'm back. I just wanted to give you some updates. I've been crocheting. I finished the fourth motif and I attached that. I did share it on my Instagram page. So you're welcome to go and check it out. It's Angora_Balera. I haven't put it outdoors yet because it's been raining. I will do that ASAP. Meanwhile, I've been, remember what we did is we crocheted this and then we flipped this. Unfortunately, this part didn't go there, as you can see. And it looks awkward, so what I'm going to do is, because of the design, it didn't work when I tried it upside down. This I tried. I just wanted this design to go upwards this way, but unfortunately it did not work. Sometimes it doesn't work, so I'm going to rip this and then create this one same. So I will show you how to start that. It's just the same thing how we started this one, but some parts, remember, we flipped it. Yeah, so I hope you haven't crocheted this, and I'm hoping that I'm back again. I'm not going to delete that tutorial though, the heads up, just to inform you. Yeah, so I will continue. We're going to do this instead of this. Unfortunately, yeah, it does not work. I tried my best. Yeah, due to the increases and decreases here, I got stuck. It's cutting off even some of this part that I already crocheted, so it's not working, and it doesn't look good. So let me show it this way just to give you an idea. See, like this part is not there due to the numbers of the stitches, the double crochets. Okay, so I will show you how to start up this and then continue on. So after this, I'm just going to do fillets and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I had to rip it apart, unfortunately. You know, you have to try things and make errors, and then what can you do? Life is like this, right? So look at this yarn, a lot of yarn, not even one part of, what you call this, I don't know. One part I didn't even finish. Look at the yarn. So this is perfect to use up the yarn that you have in your stash. I would highly recommend. Okay, so I ripped it. I frogged it all the way here because I made a popcorn right there. And I'm looking at the motif, so I have to make the popcorn here. Remember, we flipped the well, I don't know. I just had that idea to make it match the motif. When I was gonna attach the motif, but unfortunately it did not fit well. What can you do? Okay, so I'm gonna continue crocheting. Let me get this closer. So all the way up to here. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. And I'm just looking. This is all we're going to do. Nothing different. It's just we're going to copy what we did. And then after finishing this, what we're going to do is, let me just show you, and then you will get that. So after finishing, when we're going to do the third one, but the third one is just going to be fillets. The reason I'm going to do that is, so this is the pointy part. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the fabric like this on the corner, and you don't have to make this design because we don't want to waste yarn, and then it's going to be the corner, so there's no use to make the design, right? So this would be perfect if you just make fillets after finishing this part, copying this, And then after making the same measurements, doing the increase and decrease, we're going to repeat 2. So we're going to make 4 fillets like this for the corner, 4 corner, and between 2 designs like this. I hope you get it. I will come back to show you again. It's just a trial, right? I am designing this as I go. Is that what it's called? I'm making it up. I'm just copying the design, and the design is just fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to continue crocheting, and then I'm going to make a popcorn right here. Okay, again, count, put your markers. That's the best way to put your markers, and then you will know where you are. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I am definitely gonna keep an eye on Hobby. I really like this yarn. It did have a couple of knots, so and it's 50 gram. I wish it didn't. It shouldn't be having that much knots, but it did. Like, I don't know, I had like 5 in one ball, and they're 50 gram. So 1, 2, 3, and but it's just good quality. It is really good quality yarn. It works. It's a dream to crochet. I'm gonna count again. Don't want to make any mistakes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th, make a popcorn. So this is all I'm doing. I don't know why I put my markers here. It should be on the bottom because I'm copying it from the bottom. This is all I'm doing, nothing different. It's going to take me a while, but I had to try it. Yeah, definitely. I had to try it and figure it out. Definitely put your markers. Just like this. 2 spaces, and then 2 and then don't forget to do your increases and decreases. So I will meet you. Okay, I am doing this with you guys. So I started this with you, so I haven't tried it, and there's no written pattern to follow with, and like I said, I'm making this up as I'm going, and yeah, there are some errors, unfortunately, but we need to try it to create something, right? So I just wanted to share this with you, with my experience. And I would highly recommend you to watch my tutorials first and then start. Okay, so I'm just going to continue crocheting, and I will meet you on the next part, and we'll go from there. But this is the easiest way to make the border. I'm going to do 2 chain. Yeah, sometimes I do 2 chains, sometimes I do 1 chain, because there's a huge gap. Or what you can do is you can fold it like this, so it would be easier for you to see it where you are. this is really loose. I don't like this. When you're crocheting, just be cautious. Okay. So there was 2 spaces. I'm just looking again. Yeah, I think I'm missing something. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I skipped one. Yeah, see? Here. I skipped one. Just be cautious. Always check. Here, see? I forgot. That's why there's a huge gap. So I'm going to just chain one. Okay, now I have 2. Okay, I have 2 spaces between, and then I'm going to make my popcorn. Okay, I will let you go. This is a short part. I just wanted to show you that it did not work out, and I had to frog it. Frog means rip it. I do get that question a lot. What does frog mean? And look at this yarn. It's so soft. Even when I ripped it apart, see, there's nothing wrong with this yarn. It's really good quality. Again, I bought this from Hobby, and it was the Black Friday. I must have bought it between Christmas, the holiday season, because they don't have this special. So I'm sure they're gonna make something when it's holiday season again. So if something comes, I'm going to buy, I don't know, 10 bags, maybe more, because I already used 3 kilogram. I had 2 kilogram, and then I used, let me show you the yarn.